Listen, before we start, I want you to do one thing. Don't blink, because what I'm about to tell you might be the one message you didn't even know you needed. The message that could flip your entire identity from walking like a confused, invisible nobody to walking like a king, someone people notice, someone people respect, someone who doesn't have to say a single word because his presence already speaks louder than every noise in the room. And if you skip this video, or click away, I swear you'll go right back to the same cycle of insecurity, overthinking, self-doubt, and that silent fear that maybe you're not built for greatness. So stay, because the next few minutes might hit you harder than anything you've heard this year. I want you to imagine this. You walk into a room, and before you even speak, people turn, people notice, not because you're tall, rich, or famous, but because of the way you carry yourself, your shoulders, your eyes, your pace, your energy. And that single moment of presence becomes your silent announcement that, I'm not here to impress, I'm here because I belong. Most of you watching this are between 15 and 25, the age where you're still shaping your identity, still trying to understand who you really are. And this is exactly where self-improvement meets psychology, where power meets control, where you learn the difference between walking like a loser who's afraid of judgment and walking like a king who knows exactly who he is. And the first step is simple. Fix your inner dialogue, because the way you walk is nothing but your thoughts made physical. A loser walks with fear whispering in his head. A king walks with clarity. Step 2, slow your pace. Fast walking screams anxiety, overthinking, lack of control, but a king's walk is calm, measured, grounded. It tells the world, I'm not rushing for anyone. Step 3, eye contact. Not aggressive, not desperate, but stable. The kind that says you respect yourself enough to look at the world without flinching. Step 4, create silence around your movements. Don't fidget, don't overreact, don't talk too much. Kings conserve energy, losers leak energy. Step 5, build micro-confidence rituals. This is psychology gold. The brain copies movement into identity, meaning if you walk with power for even 5 minutes a day, your brain starts believing you are powerful. Step 6, eliminate approval-seeking movements. Stop nodding too much. Stop smiling to please. Stop shrinking your body to take less space. Kings don't shrink. They expand. Step 7, walk with purpose. Even if you don't have life figured out, walk as if you know where you're headed, because purpose isn't something you find, it's something you project until it becomes real. And listen, if you're still here, then here's the truth. Nobody your age is told. Confidence is not something you build in your head, it's something you practice with your body. Your posture is psychology, your walk is identity, your pace is mindset. And if you don't master this now, you will spend your 20s acting like a background character in your own story. I don't want that for you. You shouldn't want that for yourself. You're young, but you're not too young to create a powerful presence. People your age are depressed, overwhelmed, addicted to dopamine, comparing themselves to everyone on social media, and this kills their posture, kills their energy, kills their confidence. That's why when you walk like a king, the contrast is powerful. People feel something when you enter. They sense control. They sense stability. They sense someone who isn't drowning in noise like everyone else. And here's the cliffhanger you didn't expect. Once you change the way you walk, people will treat you differently. Teachers, bosses, friends, strangers, they all respond to presence before personality. You can talk like a king, but if you walk like a loser, the world will smell insecurity from a mile away. But when your walk changes, your energy changes, and when your energy changes, your life changes. And if you think I'm exaggerating, try this tomorrow. Keep your chin level, shoulders back, chest open, breathe deeper, walk slower, maintain calm eye contact, reduce fidgeting, and move like you have invisible weight on your shoulders. Not the weight of stress, but the weight of responsibility. That's the moment the world adjusts to you, instead of you adjusting to the world. This is where real self-improvement begins. Not in books, not in motivational speeches, but in daily micro-behaviors that rewire your psychology. You want power, control, confidence? You want people to stop treating you like you're forgettable? Then fix the first thing people see, your presence. Walk like a king long enough, and eventually, you become one. And if you're still listening, that means you're serious. And serious people don't just watch, they take action. So here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, walk with the presence of someone who refuses to be ordinary. Try it, experience it, and if this video hit you, if it opened your eyes even for 1 second, then don't keep it to yourself. Like the video, comment, I walk like a king, and subscribe so you stay in this journey of becoming the strongest, calmest, most powerful version of yourself. Because kings don't run from growth, they walk into it.